Wow, ang sarap naman eh. Re, eka. Ay, charot lang. Let's eat, guys. So, tikman na natin yung aking ginawang kinilaw na sileniesi with oyster. OA. Sarap. So, this is sileniesi. In English, sininyi. Charot. Guys, try nyo to, guys.